This is a brief overview of how to pound. So first, you will need ALPH in your wallet, and you can get that through a few means, and I'll show you some cards with more info here. Then you'll need to go to the trade, and trade half of your ALPH to AYIN, leaving some for gas. Click the swap, sign in your wallet, and then wait for that transaction to be submitted. Then you'll need to bring that to the liquidity tab. Add liquidity, and what you'll do is click max, but again, remove some so that you have some for gas and contract creation. You'll need 1 ALPH for contract creation. Once you have that both 50-50 AYIN and ALPH, click on add and sign in your wallets. Moving from there, you will take that instead of to the stake LP tab, you'll take that LP to the pounder. And it is as simple as taking your LP and clicking on the LP add button. Once you've done that, sign, and you should see that come up in your pounder under you are pounding so much LP, and I'm pounding 105 LP here. That will continue to sell your rewards and recreate LP and reinvest it into the LP in the pounder. Thank you for watching the video.